So today I'm talking about how to improve learning skills. In this video, I am three important share with you. So my name is Kailash Kumar. You are watching Kailash Kumar Talks channel.
Can you hear my voice?
So like this video and subscribe my channel and watch this video fully. And I'm gonna show you three step-by-step skills in this video. So start begin. So first steps I am now talking with you and share with you. Read the books and words focusly. Everybody reads many books and dictionaries, words vocabulary. There is not why there are not saved words in this mind. So I am today told you. First of all, I am recommended you. You are focused in your words. Yeah. Remember the words and focus these words so you are remember quickly in your mind. So and slowly you are speaking English in your mind inside your mind is speaking and slowly you are explore your words and you are explore daily routine in your word their words you are remembered and you are write this word in every book every copy and you are rough. So first you are focused in your word and remember your word of meaning and you are thinking so quickly you are thinking so quickly and every day you are find new words every day 10 or 20 you are find words new words I'm gonna say you new words you are find every day and read them and write the books and find meaning in this word and you are automatic save these words in your mind and automatic you are spoke everybody English. So third step is last step so third step is so important. So first of all
That
you have a
with
need
you.
some dictionary books or application in your smartphone, so download my description. So you are remembered word you are try to make some little sentence in your copy and slowly you are spoken in English and you are think and you understand you are understanding these meaning of words and you are write a little sentence in your copy and you are try to spoke in your daily routine. So and you are try to speak on state of mirror and record your words in your earphone and don't forget you are show everybody every you I am make a video you are make a video you are don't so this is so little you are like this video and subscribe my channel please you are support me because I am a growth my speaking skills I'm gonna share with you. I'm gonna share with you more videos and the next video I am show you how to use application I'm gonna show you in this description next video I have love God.